What if I told you there's one cryptocurrency flying under the radar right now that could deliver returns of 10x, 20x, or even 30x in this bull run? This isn't Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even Solana. It's a project that has been silently building game-changing technology while the market wasn't paying attention. And just days ago, they dropped an announcement so big that it could completely redefine how we interact with the internet. Most altcoins from the last cycle won't come close to their previous all-time highs, but ICP isn't just aiming for a recovery, it's positioned to smash through its old records. If you've been waiting for the next major crypto breakout, this might be your signal. The cryptocurrency landscape is undergoing a seismic shift, and at the epicenter of this transformation stands Internet Computer Protocol, ICP, with its groundbreaking Caffeine AI platform. This revolutionary development isn't just another incremental improvement in blockchain technology. It represents a fundamental reimagining of how we create and interact with digital applications. The implications are so profound that they could potentially redefine entire industries while catapulting ICP into the upper echelons of the crypto market. Caffeine AI introduces what can only be described as the world's first self-writing internet, a paradigm where the barriers between conceptualization and creation are effectively erased. Through simple natural language commands, users can now generate fully functional websites, sophisticated social networks, or even complex DeFi platforms without writing a single line of code. This isn't speculative future technology or vaporware. The platform is already operational in alpha testing, demonstrating tangible results that hint at its transformative potential. What makes this development particularly significant for ICP's valuation is the fundamental economic alignment between Caffeine AI and the Internet Computer Protocol. Every application spawned through this AI-powered platform runs natively on ICP's blockchain, creating an automatic demand generator for the underlying token. As adoption grows, this creates a powerful network effect where increased usage of Caffeine AI directly translates to heightened demand for ICP tokens. The implications are staggering. We're not just looking at another crypto utility, but rather the emergence of a new foundational layer for internet infrastructure. This technological leap positions ICP at the convergence of two of the most powerful trends in technology today: artificial intelligence and blockchain decentralization. While most projects in the crypto space are struggling to find genuine utility beyond speculation, ICP through Caffeine AI is solving real-world problems at scale. The platform effectively democratizes software development, making advanced application creation accessible to billions rather than just millions of technically skilled individuals. The economic model here is particularly compelling. Traditional cloud computing platforms generate billions in revenue by charging for infrastructure usage. ICP inverts this model by creating a decentralized alternative where usage directly benefits token holders. As Caffeine AI lowers the barriers to entry for application development, we could see an explosion of new projects built on ICP's infrastructure, each contributing to the network's growth and the token's value appreciation. What truly sets this apart from other blockchain projects is the tangible, real-world applicability. While many cryptocurrencies struggle to demonstrate use cases beyond trading and speculation, ICP through Caffeine AI is positioning itself as essential infrastructure for the next generation of internet applications. This isn't just about price appreciation, it's about fundamentally changing how value is created and distributed in the digital economy. The timing couldn't be more fortuitous. As the world stands on the brink of an AI revolution and increasing disillusionment with centralized tech platforms, ICP offers a decentralized alternative that combines cutting-edge AI capabilities with blockchain's trustless execution environment. This unique value proposition makes ICP not just another altcoin, but a serious contender for becoming foundational infrastructure in the Web3 ecosystem. For investors and technologists alike, this represents a rare convergence of technological innovation and economic potential. The launch of Caffeine AI isn't just another product release, it's the beginning of a new chapter in how we build and interact with digital services, with ICP positioned as the backbone of this transformation. As the platform moves from alpha to broader availability, the market is only beginning to price in the full implications of what this technology can achieve. The hidden indicator of long-term success. One of the most reliable predictors of a cryptocurrency's staying power is developer activity, and ICP is dominating in this area. According to Electric Capital's 2024 developer report, ICP ranks third in developer growth, trailing only Ethereum and Solana. With a 75% year-over-year increase in active developers, it's clear that builders are flocking to this ecosystem. What's even more impressive is that ICP processes more transactions per second than Solana, proving its scalability. This isn't just hype, real projects are being built, and real users are engaging with them. Developer momentum like this is exactly what fuels long-term price appreciation. The perfect storm for a price explosion. Right now, ICP is trading at around $5, but the setup for a massive surge is undeniable. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which require billions in inflows to move significantly, ICP's relatively low liquidity depth means it could see exponential gains with just a few $100 million in buying pressure. Here's the math. A 10x move to $50 per ICP might only require around $200 million in new capital. A 30x surge to $150? Roughly $1.20 to $1.3 billion. When you compare that to the trillions flowing into crypto this cycle, those numbers suddenly seem very achievable. Don't make this mistake with ICP. While staking ICP for long-term rewards might seem appealing, locking up your tokens for 8 years could be a costly mistake in a fast-moving bull market. The smarter play? Actively trade the volatility and take profits at key resistance levels. The best strategy right now is to watch for a confirmed breakout from ICP's current downtrend, which will likely coincide with the full public launch of Caffeine AI. That's when we could see the real parabolic move begin. Should you buy ICP now? Yes, if you believe AI and blockchain integration will be one of the biggest trends of this decade. You're looking for a high-growth altcoin with real utility and institutional backing. You can handle volatility and plan your exits strategically. No, if you expect overnight gains without any pullbacks. You're uncomfortable with the risks inherent in altcoin investing. How to trade ICP like a pro? Keep an eye on these key price levels. $6.50. A breakout above this resistance confirms the bullish reversal. $10. The first major target, likely to see some profit taking. $50. $150. The long-term range if Caffeine AI adoption accelerates. For those looking to maximize their gains, joining a trading community with real-time alerts can be invaluable. Timing your entries and exits will be crucial as ICP gains momentum. ICP represents one of the few altcoins in this cycle with the technology, team, and timing to deliver life-changing returns. The launch of Caffeine AI could be the catalyst that propels it into the top tier of cryptocurrencies. The question isn't whether ICP will rally, it's how high it can go. At these prices, this might be one of the last major opportunities to get in before the crowd catches on. What do you think? Can ICP hit $100 or more this cycle? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this breakdown valuable, be sure to like and subscribe for more deep dive analyses.